Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how to purchase Bitcoin on Cash App. So let's get started. To get started, open up the Cash App on your mobile device and look at the bottom of your Cash App screen. You'll see a toolbar. Tap the icon on the far left where your account balance is displayed. In my case, it shows $5, so I'll tap on that cash balance. At the top of the next screen, you'll see your available Cash App balance. You'll need at least a small amount, even just $1 to buy Bitcoin. If your balance is zero, tap Add Cash and follow the steps to transfer money from your bank account to Cash App. Once you've added funds, look for the Bitcoin option on the same screen and tap it. This will show you the current price of Bitcoin. You'll also see a Buy button. Tap that to begin your purchase. Cash App gives you a few preset amounts to choose from: $10, $25, $50, etc. But if you want to enter a custom amount, tap the three dots in the corner. In my example, I'll enter $1. Next, tap Next to continue. You'll see a breakdown of your purchase, how much Bitcoin you're getting, the fee being charged, and your total. Here, I'm buying $1 worth of Bitcoin. Cash App shows I'll receive 97 cents worth after a 3-cent fee. Finally, tap Confirm at the bottom. And just like that, your Bitcoin purchase is complete. And that's it, you are done.